Hello, my name is Priyanka Singh, and today I am going to share my timeline analysis of COVID using Tableau. I would like to thank Sparks Foundation for giving me this opportunity. Our first story point is representation of total number of COVID cases around the globe. From the visualization itself, we can tell that the top 3 countries having maximum COVID cases are USA, India, and Brazil, where the total number of cases have been sorted using the color filter. This story point consists of a race bar where we can see how new COVID cases increased over time. And here you can see how the ranking of new cases changed the scenario, as France has replaced Brazil from the top 3 list. Here, I have created a COVID forecast where you can see the actual as well as the estimated forecast of total cases in a specific country. For India, you can see that the actual number of cases till 31st October were 8.1 million and the estimated COVID cases is to be 8.7 million by 14th of November. And so you can check for different countries by clicking on the country. Some factors influencing the risk of pandemic are age, smoking or lung diseases, life expectancy, diabetes, cardiovascular issues. You can examine or compare the risk of these factors in different continents. With the help of this line chart, you can see how government response stringency index, that is the level of strictness varying with the increase in cases in different countries. Like for India, the stringency index reached its highest limit when the cases crossed 500 itself. Similarly, you can check for different other countries. Now, I would like to share my recommendation on the basis of my analysis. Currently, as there is no licensed medications for COVID, person above 65 and people having health issues related to heart, lungs or diabetes are advised to stay home except for essential and health purposes. Following government preventive guidelines is very mandatory to reduce the risk of the pandemic, like social distancing, wearing mask and maintaining a proper hygiene. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.